when you're scrolling on your phone, the chances that you will see these type of videos are really high since it's so easy to make and you can make facts from it. This channel has more than 5 million subscribers and I'm gonna show you how he does it. Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Fire. This is a full tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel that can go viral effortlessly with only 4 steps. Let's dig in. First, do a quick research on this channel, for example. Pick one that will grab your attention the quickest and then think of the hook to get people to watch your video. You want to keep it short and straight to the point, like, for example, put it in a simple way. Focus on the feelings it gives you. Let's do this video as an example. After 5 minutes, I easily came up with the scripts. You know a YouTube video is about to be good when it has the signature voice. And what I mean by the signature voice, I mean this voice.
This man just witnessed a crash right outside his house.
And you can find this voice using this tool. Or you could pick what voice that's the best fit with your stories. For editing a video, CapCut is what I really recommend because you can really do anything with it. It has variety, transitions, endless effects, but with this type of video, we would go as simple as we could. All you gotta do is upload your video and then insert the voice that you already picked, and then maybe pop in some effects to make it more interesting, like 1 or 2, not too much. Here's the key point. You have to be creative. That's the only reason that will make you stand out of 1 billion YouTube channels out there. You could have a unique storytelling angle or just something that would represent you when they see your video. And finally, most important, always double check before you upload your video. Remember to put in hashtags or fix something that you think that it feels off. Alright, if you find this helpful, give this a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content on AI Fire.